In the metals quadrant, taking a look at December copper futures, which is up for 2 straight sessions, but it is having some basing price action that we're currently seeing, struggling against short-term resistance, leading to a gap open higher today, which price then dropped down toward yesterday's open and then moved up into short-term resistance, which caused copper to pull back again, finishing higher, but close to its own opening range. The low today, 4.3250, that was down about 0.61%. The high today, 4.3890, that was up 0.86%. And with a little bit of time left in the session, we're still up about 1/3 of 1%. Initial volume is light, but that's not unusual for a Friday session. Expansions of copper mines across the Democratic Republic of Congo is bringing some positive supply expectations for the continent of Africa. And we're not talking about 2 years from now. The continent's copper output is expected to rise 8% to 4 million metric tons by the end of this year and increase to 4.4 million metric tons in 2025. Now, that's necessarily affecting today's price action, but it could be part of why we're getting this struggle at resistance levels with copper. Also, metals markets are expecting more stimulus from China, especially this coming weekend, with talks pointing to another up to 10 trillion yuan as the country struggles to reach its full economic growth targets. That could be the trigger that's able to push copper up above resistance it's currently struggled at if it actually happens. Copper markets are looking for it, and they're looking for it this weekend. Doesn't happen this weekend. It still could happen later in the week or possibly next weekend, but copper markets are starting to price in more stimulus and potentially not pricing in yet the stimulus working.